What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important that doesn't always get enough attention in the streaming community, which is accessibility. Whether you're looking to support viewers with disabilities or simply make your content more inclusive, I've got some tips and tricks to help you open up your stream and videos to a wider audience. Also, accessibility is a very vast, ever-changing subject, and I don't have all the answers right now and still learning myself, but I hope this helps you. Let's jump right in. 1. Subtitles and captions. Let me hit you with some facts. According to a study done by Verizon in 2019, 80% of those who use caption don't have a hearing impairment. Also, 50% believe captions are important since they often watch videos with no audio, whether that's on desktop or mobile device, me myself included. Adding subtitles to your streams or videos doesn't just help people with hearing impairments, it's also useful for viewers who speak different languages or those in noisy environments. So, if you're using OBS, you can use a plugin made by Rat with a Shotgun for closed captioning. It uses Google's speech-to-text cloud API. I've been using this for a while and I think it works wonderfully because it docks directly into your OBS. I will link it down below. I think Twitch also has automatic closed caption, but I have not used it before. It is an option though, so maybe try it out for yourself. For YouTube, I strongly recommend adding subtitles whenever you can. Consider manually adding or reviewing the automatic captions for greater accuracy, or use a tool for transcription. A bonus point if you add captions in multiple languages. Even just one extra can go a very long way. You never know who's watching. Turning on closed caption within games that you can is also helpful not just for your own gameplay, but for viewers as well. However, if you do turn this on, please make sure that your speech closed caption does not overlaying the in-game closed caption. Just a tip. 2. Visual accessibility, color contrast, and font choices. Let's talk visual accessibility now. Many viewers have color blindness, so using high contrast colors in your overlays and stream elements can make a huge difference. Minimize hard to read combinations like red and green, opt for high contrast color, or dark and light tones that make text pop. The same case for text on complex illustrated backgrounds. You should also use the large and clear fonts for text on stream because you want everyone to be able to see your announcement or your silly notes, right? Make sure your chat box and alerts are also easily legible. A little font tweak can make a huge difference for viewers who rely on visual accessibility. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also test your stream with dark versus light mode users in mind. I know some of you probably are screaming when you hear the term light mode, but truly, it's not that bad. For overlays, refrain from using too much flashing as this may induce seizures or make people feel unease. 3. Audio accessibility, sound effects, and volume control. Audio cues are super important, but if your stream is too loud or has no volume control, it can be quite overwhelming for some viewers. Balance your audio levels, making sure that background music isn't drowning out your voice. You can also add audio cues for important events, like when someone follows or subscribes. This can help people with impairments know when something significant has happened. If you have sound effects, keep them from being eardrums destroyers. 4. Interface accessibility. Make it easy for people to find what they need. Your links, your About Me section. Make sure you use panels on Twitch that has clear labels like schedules or socials or commands, etc. Whatever you want to include. Make sure to also utilize Twitch Markdown to make text bold, adding list. This will help the flow of reading and highlighting important information. Please avoid fancy symbols, and I really recommend adding actual text on your panel instead of directly on the image. Even though graphic panels with text look really aesthetic, they cannot be accessed by assistive technology such as screen readers or text-to-speech software. Twitch has now added a field to add alt text as well, so please make use of it.
Example title. Through the use of text readers, I'm able to hear the alt text on this image. Example description.
This takes probably an extra second, but it is a really good second. If you use Blue Sky, you can also turn on the setting to block you from posting an image until you've added alt text in. I use this and I never forget. 5. creating inclusive content with your community. Making content accessible is not just about the tech, it is about making sure everyone feels welcome. Encourage your viewers to share their accessibility needs. Create the space for feedback on how to improve the experience for all viewers. Use bot filters to help block out slurs, spam, or any kind of ableist language. If you host events, consider offering alternative formats like audio only or text-based interactions. Remember, your community is a huge resource. They may suggest ways to enhance engagement for those with specific needs. And that's it for now. Accessibility isn't just a nice to have, it's a way to make your content more inclusive and welcoming to everyone. Whether it's captions, color contrast, or simply listening to your community's needs, small changes can go a long way in creating an experience that's truly for everyone. Let me know in the comment if you tried any of these tips or if you have other ideas to make VTubing and streaming more accessible, as I would love to learn more myself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you next time! You can also add audio cues for important events. This helps people with hearing impairments know when something significant has happened. Wait, if they have hearing impairments, then is audio cues useful?